Well, you guys know the drill. We are on the road to LS Fest. They closed the entire road for this because there's so many people going in that both lanes literally go to the event. So we're rolling up here with another C5 and another C5 in front of that, a CTSV behind me. So we'll be there in a second, and then the fun starts. I did have to wash the car this morning, but it worked so well. I was mind blown at how well all the bugs came off. I mean, 800 miles of bugs, and they just came off in the car wash, high pressure wash. On today's episode of Watch Jericho, we are here at LS Fest in Bowling Green, Kentucky, 2021 with Holly. The car is in their booth. Let's show you the show. What is going on, guys? I am Watch Jericho, and today, like I said, we're here in Bowling Green, Kentucky at LS Fest East with the Procharger development Z06 with all the Holly stuff we can get on it as fast as we could. Unfortunately, there's a little bit more to do, but we'll get it all done. Let's take you on a tour of Holly's booth real quick because there's some epic stuff here, and the drifting competition is going on like right now. You can see the smoke just like coming over the whole crowd. Oh, here we go. Anyway, everything's LS powered, everything's amazing, and we're just having a blast out here. We're gonna do some drag racing, and if they restart Autocross, we're gonna do some Autocross. Until then, let's check out the show. We've got this LS powered Baja Bug with dual keys. Check this thing out. That is pure insanity. What a build. Right in front of that, looks like we're on a Terminator or something like that. Right in front of that, the Flowmaster exhaust. Beautiful GMC. Look at that insanity. It's perfect. Twins. Ooh. And of course, the Flowmaster muffler car, which is amazing. Check that thing out. Root beer is obviously the color this year. There's 3 root beer cars right here. Have like a twin turbo bag C10. Beautiful, beautiful. Step side. Oh my gosh. Wildly clean Silverado. Look at this. I mean, it looks like it just rolled out of the factory. Took our long tubes on there. TA. 5th gen. That is nasty. Ooh-wee. I'm headed back to get in the car. I gotta go get it teched and try to do some drag racing in this first heat that started 11 minutes ago. So hopefully we can still get in it. If you guys need to make some big power, check out this Holly intake. It has dual rail bosses, dual injector bosses right there, and dual rails on it. So you can run all 16 injectors and have an absolute ripper of an engine. Disaster, I just went through tech and they were like, car's fine, but it's supercharged, and if you have nitrous, turbo, or a supercharger, you have to have a jacket on. I didn't know that. I was like, this car can't be that fast. I brought my helmet just in case, because like I think you need a helmet at 11s or something like that. So, you know, brought helmet, didn't think about needing a jacket in like a nice normal street car. Anyway, we're heading to try to find a jacket right now. We'll probably run over to Simpson and see what we can come up with, and then we can race. All right, we are in the Autocross staging here. I think I'll be one of the last passes, and I don't know if I'll get to run anymore, unfortunately, because they're moving on to this Grand Champion stuff after the General Autocross, which is what I'm in. So, we're just hanging out right here, waiting on them to release us. We'll head towards the track and see if I can, in one pass, set an okay time. I don't know if I can. Well, not crazy. I went out and ran a 56. The guy in front of me went 49, so that was pretty slow, but it was my first time around there, and I was trying to just like see where the cones were at and drive as fast as I could. So it's pretty tricky to try to go fast on the first pass, not knowing the track. So these guys are the champions. They're racing for $20,000. They're also running 37s.
The Soul trying to run a number. Your winner, the hot guy in the Corvette, number 2, Mr. Randy Adkins. Give us a donut, Randy.
There is like a 90s Grand Prix here with an LS4 in it from a late gen Grand Prix GXP. Super cool. All of the wildest stuff's here. LS swap BMW land right there. This 7 Series is LS swap too.
No.
Yes, it is.
No.
Yeah, I talked to them earlier. He said he just threw an LS1 in it. Yep. Man. There you go, Car Ninja. Apparently the way you fix BMWs is, it's right here. LS everything. You know, I probably would have enjoyed my R32 a lot more if it was like this. Right-hand drive.
Pretty much for rural firefighting without hydrants.
So is this like a chute that you can dump in a water bed?
If you do a water shuttle operation, we'll set 2,000 gallon dump tanks. That's what that is on the side.
Okay.
You set it out, it looks kind of like a swimming pool. Low level strainers. In the top.
Yep.
They come off the side of the truck.
Yep.
Pull water out of that pool and act like a hydrant.
I see.
And then you have several other tankers like. He's get her out of the way.
Oh, okay.
Go ahead, Jimmy.
That's what I wondered.
Yeah. So it dumps.
Yeah.
You can swivel it around to where you can back into the dump tank or take it out to the side.
I gotcha. So it can go all the way.
Yeah.
Yep. Outside the truck. That's sweet.
We sell Genesis rescue systems.
Yep.
That's our spreaders.
And all hydraulic gas.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. I like it.
Ram, cutters, spreaders.
Man.
Mini cutter.
Awesome. What a rig.
Put it on YouTube, man.
Yeah,
High Tech Rescue. We took delivery of it October of 2020.
Oh, okay. So it's 2020.
Yep.
Man. Super clean.
Yes,
I love
sir.
it.
Here, grab it. On it!
4 miles down, reaching the car. Moving way up.
All the right turbo noises, ladies and gentlemen.
Parking at number 3.
Oh yeah,
Florida
baby.
man.
I'm standing here with the other drivers and I just heard them say, that's the winner right there. Like, he's sent it. Both tires, I think.
Wow. Oh, the limiter.
Gotta be honest with you guys, this might be my favorite car here. You remember when I did an FX45 on the channel? This is like the ultimate FX45 right here. FXLS. Unbelievable. It looks stock, sounds perfect, rolling. Oh my gosh, Recaros.
No time.
What a car.
set to take place.
Might be my favorite car here. What a crowd for the burnout comp. The firefighters are still working on that Audi. It's been 20 minutes. Still loading up that A4. Well, if it's not Giraffe Man.
Trying to get to the drifting here.
Get over there, bro.
I'm going.
Check this out. Right beside my Z is Cole Reynolds' insane Chevy love. This is absolutely beautiful. A center driving position with the baller Holly screen. Again, Willwood pedal box hiding in there. You got a lot to do with that. How are you gonna fix the rack and the steering wheel? How's that gonna work out?
So I have to cut the steering or the column down, and then basically just
Offset bar?
yeah, pretty much. And I'll just go around the pedal box. I mean,
Okay.
it'll be kind of close to the clutch pedal, but it won't. Like, it'll be out of the way. I kind of mocked it up, and I have plenty of room.
Yeah.
So
I mean, this is gonna be amazing. Rear engine, the T56.
no, that's actually a 915 Porsche transaxle.
Oh, okay. That makes
Yeah.
obviously.
Yeah, it's so many people have just been like, oh, is it a VW transaxle? Like, is it a Corvette transaxle? Yeah, I'll end up running a G5003 just because they're beefier and can hold the torque and power of an LS
Gotcha.
way better. And
Yeah,
look how much
that's-
this thing will be raced.
It's the go-to for like more high-end builds anyway.
Yeah.
So I see you're still kind of mating it up. Is that?
Yeah, so they make, a couple of companies make like dual aluminum adapter plates.
Okay.
And I'll obviously get one of those. I cut the truck in half and built all of this rear suspension and, did all this rear chassis. I started 2 months ago.
Nice.
So it was kind of just like, I knew I wanted it to be at LS Fest and Holly wanted it to be in their booth.
Yeah.
And so I just wanted to showcase a lot of my sponsors and, try to get my name out there more and to, like I said, showcase like all the amazing products that, people have supported me with.
Yeah, AFR heads.
Yeah, AFR 210, CC, LSX Mongoose heads.
Nice.
They are cathedral port. I'm gonna do a stock monument 5.3 of this thing.
Okay.
Probably run boost at some point.
So obviously, this air intake's at my shop, and we were putting it on this car.
Yeah.
And I couldn't get it to fit in the crunch time. Yeah, we only had one day to get it together.
Yeah.
And I have the stock engine mounts. I need short engine mounts. Otherwise,
Yeah.
we'd have matching ones.
Yeah,
It'd be sweet.
awesome.
But this looks killer. You've got the MSD coils, MSD throttle body, everything's
Yeah.
on here.
Yeah, it'll have MSD fuel rails, their new coil covers, everything MSD.
It's gonna be a ripper.
Yeah.
Anyway, Cole Reynolds on YouTube. Check it out. This is a crazy build, dude. I love it.
Appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Budweiser side of the racetrack. Recognize this Corvette? I do too. This is Procharger's development C5 Chevrolet Corvette. John Ross drove this car here from Wichita. Procharger has had their hands in this car as well as several other people, and I tell you what, it runs 1247 at 116 miles an hour. He told me he was going to baby it through first gear, just kind of take care of it, because again, he has to drive it about 650 miles home.
Woo, not bad.
bad.
12.4
That's not bad.
for the first time I've ever actually gotten in it. It wasn't bad, and it was like, I I want to go full throttle, and then I finally third, it was on about full throttle, and I missed the 3.4. I got it real fast. That shift was amazing.
It happens.
It happens, but that car is incredible. I am in love. Anyway, Jacob's the announcer. I'm sure you saw him in the shop just the other day, but he's also the announcer
Just the other day.
at LS Fest. And we had a lot of drifting going on. We're right over here. All right, here's a good view of the fastest part of the drift track. This is where the straightaway is, and they come around the corner and they're still rolling like 70. So this will be a good shot. guys, last night, ICT Billets here from Wichita, of course. Good friends, they're here with their truck. This is a street truck, a literal truck that they bring out at night and we go have fun with. Yesterday, they took off at the starting line and accidentally pulled the parachute at the starting line. You see the truck launch and the parachute flop out of the back and fall on the track, and the truck went 4 in the 8th. So today we're looking for something crazy, hopefully without a parachute deploying right at the starting line.
2 trucks found their way all the way through. Oddly enough, these are your number 1 and number 2 qualifiers, respectively. Cody Hoffman, Micah Carroll for all the moolah. Here we go. On the boost and the lights, we're down and away. It's going to be Cody Hoffman all the way, baby. We got money coming back to Wichita. 503, 143 miles an hour.
Anyway, another great LS Fest. We are heading out, but before we do, one more little drift. And that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over to shop.watchcargo.com where you get cool shirts just like this. And please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. And I will talk to you next time.